I think you've been living with dogs all your life.
Yeah, Dubai Maharaja, who's been living with women all around him.
Hey Saleh, you're talking too much.
Abey, what's there to admit? The street draggers have been living the lives of street dogs. We are like dogs anyway. What's your story?
I was born in a dustbin and I've been living around the dustbin all my life. So, what does this Dubai Maharaja has in hunt for today?
This Maharaja has all the liking for plastic, tin, cardboard and all the filth of the rich in the country.
So, this Maharaja does not find food and drink interesting?
Abey, don't add chili powder to the stomach.
Hey, what chili powder? Today, this Maharaja is going to show this Maharaja everything from chili powder, paneer tikka, fried rice, everything.
What are you talking about?
Maharaja, come with me, Maharaja. After 28 plates, all we have is this.
So, where is the chili chicken, Maharaja ji?
Hey, don't put chili to my burning stomach. I think the Maharaja has gone too old too early.
It's the curse of all good men like you.
Anyways, let's go to an Indian place of international standards.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the place where all the dirt in the city resides. The City Municipal Corporation Waste Disposal Unit.
How far is it?
The treasure is just 8 kilometers away.
I don't think I can make it. I'm too weak and dizzy.
I can do anything for the treasure, you silly old man. Are you alright? I of course don't have any water on me. The water is 2 kilometers away. Come on, keep yourself up. I cannot do anything for you right now.
I just cannot walk any further. My whole body is aching. My stomach is rumbling.
Okay. We'll wait for a while. Dear my ailing son, this is the greenest ocean for sons of streets like us. When was the last time you saw food?
Don't remember. Must be a week ago. What about you?
Except for that rotten paratha we got yesterday, we haven't got anything since the last week.
I feel my body has seen enough shit in this world. At every moment, now it's begging to bid goodbye to the world.
Why? Why such self-empathy? We've been cursed to live a life like this. A life where we die every day.
I think I've seen enough deaths in this life. I want to see it one last time.
So when emotions are out and dancing to the rumbling tunes of the stomach, it's time for a...
Enough of your build-up. Give me that beedi which you stole from the bin.
Oh, so you saw it? All rat pickers have eagle's eyes. Anyways, here is the medicine that your mind, body and soul needs.
If not for BDs, a clan would have got extinct faster than the trees in the urban area, man.
1 in 1,000 words. Long live BDs and rag pickers. Take this. Your body needs this badly.
Finally, support in life.
Me or the bull?
Both.
Wait, I'll get some water for you. Get up. Get up.
I think it's my time to go to Ashes.
Don't say that. Come.
Good evening, sir. So, how is our young man keeping up?
Sir, it's worsening every day, sir. Is there no way for this?
Sir, no matter how many times you ask me, my answer will not change.
But I cannot see him suffering like this. From the time he has been born, he has been cursed to live such a life. A life where he dies every day.
Sir, we have discussed this umpteen number of times. I have tried whatever I could, but mercy killing is not legal. You cannot just ask a medical practitioner to take the law into his own hands.
Why? But why? Why should he live a life like this? A life where he dies every day. Let him die for one last time.
Please console yourself, sir. Euthanasia is not for us.